If you're looking to customize the URL for your Livestorm webinar, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily set up Livestorm's custom URL and give you the flexibility to make your webinar links more professional and easier to share. Whether you're running a small event or a massive webinar, this feature adds an extra level of professionalism that your attendees will appreciate. To start, open Livestorm and go to your event dashboard. If you're new to Livestorm, don't worry. It's intuitive and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Once you're on your event dashboard, select the webinar you want to set the custom URL for, or create a new event if you haven't done that yet. When you're inside the webinar setup, head to the event settings section. It's located on the left-hand side. Now you'll see a few options for customizing your event, but we're specifically interested in the URL. Right under the event name, you'll notice a default URL that's automatically generated by Livestorm. To change that to something more personalized, click the Edit button next to the URL. This is where the magic happens. Livestorm gives you the freedom to create a custom, memorable URL for your webinar. Just type in the custom name you want, and it will automatically update the URL. Make sure it's short, easy to remember, and ideally includes your webinar title or key theme to help attendees know what it's about at a glance. One thing to keep in mind is that the custom URL has to be unique. If you try using a URL that's already in use, Livestorm will notify you, and you'll need to come up with another option. So make sure to check availability before finalizing. Once you've chosen your custom URL, hit Save, and you're done. You now have a personalized link that you can share with your audience. This URL will also be the one attendees will use to join your webinar when the time comes. It's that simple. A custom URL not only makes your webinars more professional, but can also improve your brand's visibility. Plus, sharing a clean, branded URL can increase your click-through rates because it looks more trustworthy. Remember, you can use Livestorm for free from the first link below, where we also have exclusive bonuses. So whether you're new to hosting webinars or you're already using Livestorm, this free trial will give you everything you need to get started and customize your event like a pro. If you found this video useful, remember that this video mentioned an exclusive and extended free trial to Livestorm. Get started with your custom URL today and make your webinar stand out.